Hello Kisansathis. Being a guide to a farmer has several advantages. We do everything to help our Kisansathis to gain skills they need to succeed in their career and business. In this chapter we will talk about the multiple benefits that you would be able to avail as a Kisansathi. An opportunity to earn unlimited income. The Kisanlink platform offers you the opportunity to earn income in several ways. By adding farm data to our Kisanlink application, as a margin on each product and service sold to farmers and selling other multiple solutions to the same farmer to earn more money. By referring the Kisanlink application to your friends and acquaintances. Develop skills through training and industry-level certifications. Our courses are accessible 24/7 anytime and anywhere. This allows you to learn at your own pace while balancing family and work. Our training program provides Kisansathi knowledge and better understanding of farming practices that will improve yield. Key concepts covered in these programs include crop-specific technical courses, latest innovations in farm mechanization, types of fertilizers, pesticides, and other agri-inputs and their benefits for each crop. Benefits of agri-services such as soil testing, drone spraying, etc., market information, and quality assessment for crops ready for harvest. After completing the training course successfully, each Kisansathi receives a certificate and will be eligible to help farmers with specific products services. Be your own boss. You will have flexibility to work at any time during the week or day based on your convenience. Build career and get job opportunities. We help you to build your career in farming by providing you with the resources you need to succeed. Career paths include options such as working as an area manager for Kisanlink after reaching level 4. Starting your own agri-business as Kisanlink partner. We will help you find job opportunities with our partner companies. We will also help you create and register FPO, Farmer Producer Organization, with your farmers and you as the CEO. We work as a farmer-friendly company because we understand how important it is for farmers to access quality products and services. So, this is how you can build a career in agri-industry by completing the training course and becoming eligible to sell products and services to our farmers. Summary. The ways to earn unlimited income. How this will lead to career progression. Area Manager. Kisanlink Partner. CEO of FPO.